What's the meaning of Cartesian? Cartesian. Cartesian.
Cartesian. Cartesian. Cartesian refers to something that is related to the French mathematician and philosopher René Descartes or his ideas. Specifically, it often refers to the Cartesian coordinate system, which is a mathematical system used to locate points in space. This system uses two or three axes, lines, that are perpendicular to each other to define a point's position relative to an origin. The Cartesian coordinate system is widely used in mathematics, physics, engineering, and many other fields to describe the relationships between objects or phenomena in space.